Hi, my name is Bill Miller, and I'm an estate and elder law attorney in Alabama, and I have offices in Anniston and Birmingham. And one of the things I like to talk to families about is the benefit of to your family of you having an estate plan. It's really a great gift that you can give. It's certainly not something anybody wants to spend money on or think about, but there is nothing worse than you having an unexpected medical incident like a stroke or heart attack or something or car accident, and you're laying up in the hospital and your family has no idea what to do with you, whether you would or wouldn't want to be on life support, whether you would or wouldn't be on a breathing machine, things like that. Those decisions are very difficult for your family to make. They also have to decide things about accessing your account. Somebody's got to pay your bills if you're in the hospital for a while, and if you haven't given someone in your family that authority to do that, then they've got to go through a court process called a guardianship and conservatorship. Well, they're trying to worry about you and your health, and they're probably trying to work and visit you in the hospital. They don't have time to go through a court proceeding in order to gain access to your assets to take care of you. So if you can put some documents in place, like a durable financial power of attorney and advance directive for health care, these documents will make it so much simpler on your family and remove this heavy burden that would be on them, that otherwise would be on them if you don't have a plan in place. The other thing is that when you pass away, you need to either have a last will and testament or a trust or some way to dispose of your assets. And again, according to on your terms, written down in a will or in a trust that says, here's what I want to do with my stuff when I'm gone. That hopefully keeps your family from fussing and fighting. So having an estate plan is a gift to your family, because by having the plan in place, they know what to do if something happens, and it removes a very heavy burden on them. It's not nearly as time consuming, not nearly as expensive as having no plan, and it will make it much easier on them, prevent family fights. So if you have questions about an estate plan or what you need, I encourage you to register for one of our free workshops on estate planning and asset protection, or call my office at 256-472-2172 and set up an appointment to come in. I'm happy to talk to you.